Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Do you also get stuck in a sentence whether a word is demonstrative pronoun or a demonstrative adjective? So today I'm going to tell you the tips and tricks to identify whether it is pronoun or adjective in a sentence. So do watch this video till end to know in full detail. So here, first of all, what are the demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns? I have written the list. So these are demonstrative adjective, this, that, these, those, and demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these, those. So you can see these are the same. This, that, these, those are the adjectives also and are the pronouns also. But in a sentence, how will you identify whether it is pronoun or an adjective? It's DA or DP. So now I'm going to tell you with an example that how you can identify whether it is pronoun or adjective. As you can see, I have written two sentences here. So let's take this sentence first of all. So this is my bag. So how will you identify whether it is a pronoun or an adjective? So what you will see that this here is written without any noun. It is written with before a verb. Is this a verb here? It is verb. Verb से पहले लिखा हुआ है and there is no noun written with this. So जब भी this without noun लिखा हो then it is pronoun. तो वो क्या हो गया? Pronoun. जब this, that, these, those without any noun लिखे हुए हैं. Noun should not be there. Pronoun के साथ noun नहीं आना चाहिए. So this अकेला लिखा हुआ है without any noun, then that is pronoun. That is pronoun. And let's see here now, this bag is mine. So here bag is noun. Bag is noun. And this is written with noun. So whenever this comes with this, that, these, those, all these words, when it comes with noun, then these are adjective. So this is adjective here because it is written with noun. So it is adjective here. So this is a trick to identify whether the word is adjective or a pronoun. You have to check whether it is written with noun or not. If it is written with noun, then that is adjective, and if it is written all alone, then that is pronoun. This is a very simple trick to identify whether the word is a pronoun or a noun or an adjective, sorry. Now we will discuss about possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So here the case is same. So that's why I just combined this topic with you, that how to identify possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Let's first of all see the list of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Like here, few of the adjectives I've written: my, her, his, or, are, their. And possessive pronoun: mine, hers, his, theirs, ours. You can see that in maximum possessive pronouns we put s with them. Okay, now I will tell you how to use them in a sentence, how you can identify whether it is possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Now I can see that here there are two examples. Firstly, take possessive adjective example. So this is my bag. Here my is possessive adjective. How you will identify it is a possessive adjective? Because it is written with noun. Noun. Okay, bag is noun here. So it is written with noun, and this is the main difference between pronoun and adjective. Adjectives comes with nouns and pronouns doesn't come with noun. So my is written with bag. So my is possessive adjective. It is PA. It's possessive adjective. And here this bag is mine. Mine. Mine is pronoun because there is no noun. No noun is written here. So this is P. This bag is mine. It's possessive pronoun. So whenever a word comes with noun, then it becomes adjective, and when it doesn't come with noun, it comes all along, then it becomes pronoun. In the same way, you can differentiate between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. So here are two examples: which book is yours and which is your book. So here in the adjective, here again adjective, which is written with book. Book is a noun, and which is interrogative adjective. It is interrogative adjective because it is written with noun. Here which is written all along. There is only verb after it. There is no noun with this. So it is pronoun, interrogative pronoun. So it's very simple trick that you have to keep in mind, that with the pronouns, no noun will be written, and with adjectives, noun will be there. So you can do it, you can differentiate demonstrative, possessive, and interrogative adjectives and pronouns like this only by just checking that whether it is written with noun or not. If you find this video informative, please do click the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks.